Good day. We will talk about ship steam service system. We know that for us to produce steam, we always need a liquid or water to change its state to gas. Where does the water come from? On board we use cascade tank, or sometimes they call it hot well. It is a tank that is used to store and to fill feed water of boiler. From cascade tank, a pump moves the feed water to the boiler. It is called boiler feed water pump. Boiler feed water pumps are multi-stage centrifugal pump to send feed to the boiler at pressure higher than steam boiler pressure. Before it enters the boiler, it will pass through a valve consist of automatic control which regulates the level of water inside the boiler, meaning it will close or open depends on the demand needed by the boiler. For example, boiler water level is set to 0 mm. If your boiler level decreases below 0, feed water auto valve will open until it reaches 0 and close again. If boiler water increased above 0, the automatic valve will remain closed. Boiler is composed of steam and water drum. Feed water will then fill up the boiler and will be heated due to combustion of fuel inside the boiler. Heat of combustion will be transferred to the feed water by the tubes and eventually boil the water. Hot water will boil and moves upward to the steam drum, while cold feed water will move downward to the water drum. Water will just circulate inside the boiler. Steam will leave the boiler steam drum at saturated state passing through the reducing valve. Reducing valve will regulate the pressure coming to the system service. 7 bars of steam pressure will be sent to the system. Steam are used to heat different machinery or equipment. HFO bunker tanks, water calorifier, cargo tanks, waste oil tanks, purifier heaters, steam tracing, boiler atomizing steam. After passing the service system machinery, feed water will come back to the cascade tank as liquid. Condenser will be used to cool down high temperature condensate water. At sea, boiler can be stopped and economizer boiler can be used. Exhaust gas boiler pump will be used to move liquid from the cascade tank to the boiler. Feed water drum will be transported to the exhaust gas boiler by the use of EGB circulating pump. Feed water will pass through series of tube inside the economizer. Heat of exhaust gas will be transferred to the feed water through the tubes. Steam produced by the EGB will send to the boiler. Steam will then send to the system. EGB is used to save money by using heat from exhaust gas of main engine instead of using boiler combustion to produce steam. Thank you for listening. Part to next video.